Okay guys, welcome again. In today's video I'm going to share with you two easiest method on how to fix your Telegram SMS fail. Yes, it is very possible. If you are the type, each time you try to log into your Telegram channel, they are asking you for SMS fail. In this video I'm going to show two methods on how you can fix your Telegram SMS fail. For you to do that, all you just have to do is for you to watch this video right from this beginning until the very end, and make sure that you didn't skip any part of the video, because if you miss any part of this video, you are going to mix it all. And I will encourage you to download this video, because some steps are somehow trickish. You need to watch the video over and over again before it can be done. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's jump into today's tutorial. First and foremost, what you need to do is to uninstall your Telegram mobile application on your cell phone right away. So let's scroll down and look for our Telegram mobile application and get it installed. As you can see, this is my own Telegram mobile application. I'm going to uninstall this mobile application right away. You click on install. Secondly, now you go to your Play Store right away. Let's click on our Play Store. As you can see on my phone screen right away, this is my Play Store. You click on the Play Store. This is my Play Store application. I'm going to click on the photo on my profile right away. I click on it. Now it will take me to this surface right away. What we need to do now is for you to click on the Play Protect. You click on this Play Protect, and you click on this settings over here. You click on the settings icon. What you need to do in this place is for you to switch this boot off right away by clicking on switch off. You switch it, turn it off right away, so it's off. Now the next step is for you to go to any browser of your choice. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Chrome browser. Now this is the surface of my phone. I will go for my Chrome browser. This is my Chrome right away. I click on Chrome. On the sidebar on my Chrome web, we are going to type Telegram download APK. You type in Telegram download APK and you click on search. As you can see, we have so many links that pop up. We have so many websites that pop up right here. The one that we're going to make use of is the one with up to down. So you can see it right away is the first one, up to down. Your own may not be the first. So we are going to click on it right away. You click on it for we to get what we are looking for. We click on see more. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down, you press see more again, you scroll down, you scroll down. As you can see, this is what we are looking for, 11.9.1. this is the one that we are going to install on our mobile phone right away. So take note of this, 11.9.1. that is what we are making use of. So let's click on it. This is download. We are going to download this Telegram 11.9.1 through this list that they wrote download. So you click on the download button right away. Click on it. As you can see, it's downloading. Let's wait for it to download so that we can further our tutorial. So guys, our Telegram has been downloaded. So let's go to our file manager for we to get our Telegram mobile application. You click on the file manager. Okay, you can see it right away. Telegram 11.9.1 APK. That is what we download. So you click on install. You install the Telegram mobile application. Click on install. And after installing, you are going to what? Click on open. Click on open and you click on start messaging. Click on continue. Allow. Now in this place you choose your country. If you are from Nigeria, from Angola, any part of the country you are from. So that is what we are going to click for the sake of this tutorial. Because I am from Nigeria, I'm going to type in Nigeria and you input your number and you click on this test backend. You click on it and you click on send, and you are going to follow the screen instruction. Whatever your phone screen or your laptop screen asks you to do, you follow it step by step, and you will fix your Telegram SMS field. Your Telegram SMS field. And if this doesn't work for you, don't panic. There's still a safer method I'm about to share with you right away, which it won't take you more than 3 to 4 minutes for you to get it done. So by uninstall your Telegram mobile application from your phone, click on any web browser of your choice and you click on the search bar. On the search bar, you are going to type in telegram.org and you click on send. So why I prefer this method is because it's quite safer to download Telegram mobile application on their website than downloading it from Google Play Store. So you are going to scroll down, you scroll down and you see where they wrote browse more Telegram apps. You click on it, and if you are an Android user, you are going to click on Telegram for Android, and if you are an iPhone user or iPad, you click on iPhone or iPad user to click on Telegram for Android. I click on it and you click on download Telegram. It's as simple as this. So guys, if you do this, you are going to fix your Telegram SMS field with these just few steps that I've shown you right away. Guys, if you find any value in this video, kindly click on the like button and click on the subscribe button so that you will be able to receive video from me. Thank you guys for watching this video right from this beginning until the very end. Till we meet again, until then, bye bye for now and peace, one love.